Hello YouTube. I always pause because I notice videos are getting chopped at the very beginning, the first few seconds when someone says hello, or at the end they throw in 2 commercials, cut the guy off. Being sarcastic, of course. Cheap kid here, you know where I got it at. You can get them all over the internet everywhere. This is how I threw it in the door because it fell apart. There's supposed to be a magnet up in here. See it? That's supposed to glue up here in the lid. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to glue that back with some glue. And I never use this handle. I use this most. And then I'll put a blade that I like in this one. I had that for scraping someday. And see the rust on them? We're going to clean them all up. I'll take a picture of this mess like this so you can see it. And then we'll have before and after shot. So let's get to work. Okay, quick tip. I'm using a little bit of spray, whatever rust spray you got, and I'm scrubbing it with the drywall screen because that rust is pretty pitted. It's going to be stained. And then I'll wipe that mess off and then sand it with some 150 wet dry. Then I'll put one more coat of oil on them. Back off. I always do that. Let's see, that's about a foot away. 6 inches. That's about 3 inches away. I want to give you a close-up shot detail. Okay, back to work. Okay, we are done with this chart. A couple of these don't fit in there very well. And then there's 2 left. I managed to cram a razor blade down in there. You never know if you need it, but they're well oiled. I oiled them. I had them oiled laying there, so there's a coat of penetrating oil on them, so maybe they won't rust. But this all spilled out in my toolbox, so I can't believe I found all the parts. But there you go, 3 different handles. You can tell the width of the blade is for these 2 handles there for the wide ones. That's for the little narrow ones. I haven't really used it much. I use this one a lot, and I used it with this blade up here. I think I'm going to switch to a blade like this. And there's 2 of those. I think both these are duplicates, and these numbers mean nothing. See, there's number 2, number 2. See them numbers? They just must be the number for the style of blade, so they're not in a row. So that's what I'm trying to spit out. You know what I mean. Thanks for watching. I mean, it's only like a $4 kit, but, you know, waste not, want not. Thanks for watching.